Hey everybody, Mr. Klehr here again. I'm going to show you another activity that's a little bit different than what we've been doing so far. All you're gonna need is a plastic bag and one canned good. Can of soup, maybe some SpaghettiOs. I'm using ravioli. Maybe you've got chicken noodle soup. But let's talk about what your activity is going to be today. In front of me here, I have my can of soup, well, Chef Boyardee, and I have a plastic bag. This plastic bag I rolled open so that when I set it down it stays open. So I had to roll it backwards a little bit. I'm going to pick whatever place I want around here to put that bag. With my can of soup, I'm going to gently, softly, don't throw, roll. I'm going to try to roll, like bowling, my can, into the bag. Let me try again. Ready? The hard part is to roll it straight. Kind of. I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna lift my bag up. Try one more time. Here we go. Yeah! I made it. I don't have a name for that one yet. So maybe you'll come up with one. Hope you guys are having a great week.